Hey y'all, it's Jordan Henderson and whatever the rest of my YouTube name is. Anyway, all I gotta say right now is, what's up guys? Guys, doing another video and it's Friday. No man, just Jesus. That's it. Right there. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be showing you my best friend Carter. Yeah, it happened a couple of weeks. Actually, like 4 weeks ago. Probably 7. I don't even know. Anyway, yeah. So I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, alright, it happened whenever. I don't care. So, yeah, here we go again. Jesus. For real, though. Okay, anyway. Yeah, it happened whenever. It's about me and one of my best friends, Carter. And this is a video of us and him, so check it out. Hi, y'all. I feel constipated. Just a little bit, though. No, I'm kidding. I have something to show y'all. Oh, I think you farted. This is my friend Carter. He's licking me in the face right now. It's kind of gay. Hey, so. Look at that punk. And we're gonna be doing stupid stuff. Yeah, stupid stuff. The first thing we may be doing is stupid stuff. What are you gonna do, Carter?
I'm gonna.
Oh, that hurt. Hold on, y'all. My friend's gotta take a crap.
Oh my God.
That was funny. That's it for now, folks. See you later on Jordan Henderson. Oops. That'll be for now, folks. Now it's time for movie time. I think I want to clean my phone. Okay. Alright. Get the cloth out. Get the stuff off. Spread the phone and pop. Alright, yeah, there we go. All clean and brand new looking. Not really. Looks really crappy. This is supposed to clean it. What the heck? Oh. Clean surface. Do not spray directly onto screen. Mother. Yeah, that was it. It's a movie. And, yeah, so I'll see y'all next time on Jordan Henderson. Whatever my name is. Peace out, home dogs. Subscribe to get weekly updates on when I post videos. Do it now. Or else.